Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to see Google search history, first thing is open up a Chrome into your device. So this will be just the same process if you're using Android or iPhone. So go to google.com and from here, go select your profile on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to see search history. So tap on it and it will redirect you to the search tab. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see all of your search history over here. Now, guys, another one is you could just simply select the calendar icon over here at the left side at the top. From here, you could select a date and it will show you the history on that specific date to narrow down the searches. And pretty much you should be able to see them all over here. And you could use the search icon as well to search for an activity. And you will have two options. You could either go for image search or search only. So pretty much you could filter it out based on what you prefer. And that's simply about it. Just simply follow the steps. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, of course, just simply comment down below and subscribe if this video helps you out.